Yes, today we will discuss Bayes theorem. Let E1, E2, so on till En be a partition of the sample space S. अब E1, E2, so on till En constitute a partition of the sample space. So it should be clear that their union will be equal to the sample space. These events will be mutually exclusive and probability of EI will be greater than 0. Let A be any event associated with the random experiment and probability A is not equal to 0. Then probability EI given that A has occurred is equal to probability EI into probability A that EI has occurred divided by probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred plus so on till probability En into probability A that En has occurred. Yes, let's see the proof. Yes, probability EI given that A has occurred is equal to, yes, by conditional probability, it will be equal to probability EI intersection A divided by probability A, right? Okay. Now, here I'll apply the multiplication rule. So it will be probability EI into probability A that given that EI has occurred. And here, in the last class, we learned that if E1, E2, so on till En be a partition of the sample space S and A be any event, then probability of the event A, that is the total probability, is given by probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred and so on till probability En into probability A that En has occurred. So this using total probability. So probability EI given that A has occurred is given by this. This is the Bayes theorem. Now let's take up few questions. First question is, bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags, right, and is found to be red. आपने दोनों में से किसी एक बैग में से रैंडमली एक बॉल ड्रॉ की एंड द बॉल इज़ फाउंड टू बी रेड इन कलर. आपको पता है कि बॉल रेड है. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट वॉज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 2. आपको बताना है कि क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि वो बॉल आपने सेकेंड बैग से ड्रॉ किया, राइट. बॉल रेड इन कलर है, ये इवेंट हो चुकी है और आपको बताना है कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बॉल वॉज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 2, राइट. एक इवेंट हो चुकी है. तो यहाँ पर वी शैल बी अप्लाइंग बेस थ्योरम. तो जो इवेंट हो चुकी है उसे हम नाम देते हैं ए. तो यहाँ पर ए इवेंट होगी बॉल इज रेड इन कलर, राइट. Now look here. Event A has occurred, right? आपको निकालना है what is the probability that ball is drawn from bag 2. तो क्या ये इस फॉर्म में है, right? तो यहाँ पर I'll define my event E1 as ball is drawn from bag 2, right? और अगर बैग 2 में से नहीं आई तो कहाँ से आई होगी, बैग 1 से. सो सेकेंड इवेंट बनेगी बॉल इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 1. नाउ वी आर टू फाइंड probability E1 that A has occurred. Yes, so now we have to find probability E1 that A has occurred. Yes, यहाँ पर एक बात नोट करो, मैं E1 को ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकती थी बॉल इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 1 और E2 को डिफाइन कर सकती थी बॉल इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 2. तो उस केस में मुझे निकालना होता probability E2 that A has occurred, राइट. वो डिपेंड करेगा आपने इवेंट किस ऑर्डर में डिफाइन की है, ठीक. Now by Bayes theorem, probability E1 that A has occurred will be equal to probability E1 into, इसको रिवर्स करके लिखो, ये E1 by A है तो यहाँ पर आएगा A by E1, probability A by E1 divided by total probability of the event A, which is given by probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred plus probability E2 into probability A that E2 has occurred. Right? यहाँ पर अभी सैम्पल स्पेस में दो इवेंट्स हैं E1 E2. अगर तीन होती तो फिर आगे लिखते probability E3 into probability A that E3 has occurred. Now we have to find out these probabilities. Yes. Now let's find out the values of these probabilities. Probability E1. E1 का मतलब है ball is drawn from bag 2. आपके पास दो बैग्स थे, आपने रैंडमली एक बॉल बैग में से बॉल ड्रॉ किया, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द चांस दैट you have picked up the second bag and you have drawn a ball from it? It will be 1 by 2, right? Into probability A that E1 has occurred. E1 has occurred, ये आपको पता है, यानी कि ball is drawn from bag 2. अब वो पूछ रहा है what is the probability of A? A का मतलब ball is red in color. So second bag में से red ball निकालने की probability क्या होगी? Red balls are 5 in number and total balls 11. So it will be 5 over 11 divided by probability E1, it's again half, into probability A that E1 has occurred, it's 5 by 11 plus probability E2. E2 का मतलब ball is drawn from bag 1, यानी कि आपने बैग 1 को पिक किया, so its probability will be 1 by 2 into probability A that E2 has occurred. E2 has occurred का मतलब है कि आपको पता है कि ball is drawn from bag 1. Now what is the probability of this event? That is what is the probability that ball is red in color? तो जब आपने पहले बैग से बॉल निकाली तो क्या probability है कि it will be red in color? Red balls are 3 and total balls 7. So it will be 3 by 7. So we simplify this. This half will get cancelled out by taking out the common factor from the denominator. So I'll get this. So on simplification, I'll get the probability as 35 by 68. Next question. Of the students in a college, it is known that 60% reside in hostel and 40% are day scholars. That is the students who do not reside in hostel. Previous year results reports that 30% of the students who reside in hostel attain A grade and 20% of day scholars attain A grade in their annual examination. Right? At the end of the year, one student is selected at random from the college and has A grade. What is the probability that student is a hostler? Yes. At the end of the year, one student is selected at random from the college and has A grade. This event has occurred. कौन सी event? That student has A grade. ये आपको पता है. तो जो event हो चुकी है, we name that as A. तो A event आएगी student has A grade. Right? Now, event A has occurred, student has A grade. Now he is asking what is the probability that student is a hostler? This you have to find out. So it is of the form AI that A has occurred. So I'll define my event E1 as student is a hostler, और अगर hostler नहीं है तो कौन होगा? Day scholar. तो E2 हो जाएगा student is a day scholar. Right? Now we are to find probability E1 that A has occurred. Now by Bayes' theorem, probability E1 that A has occurred will be equal to probability E1 into, reverse करके लिखो, probability A that E1 has occurred divided by total probability of A, which is probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred plus probability E2 into probability A that E2 has occurred. Right? Now we need to find out these probabilities. Yes. Probability E1. E1 event है student is a hostler. Yes. Now go back to the question again and find out what is the probability that student is a hostler. Yes. Of the students, it is known that 60% reside in hostel. So probability that student will reside in hostel is 60 by 100. Right? Into probability A that E1 has occurred. E1 हैज़ अकर्ड का मतलब है कि आपको पता है कि स्टूडेंट होस्टलर है. आपको निकालनी है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट ए, दैट इज आपको बताना है कि स्टूडेंट हैज़ ए ग्रेड. अब क्वेश्चन में से इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करो कि जब स्टूडेंट होस्टलर है, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही विल हैव ए ग्रेड? यस, students who reside in hostel attain A grade. Yes, here. Previous year result report that 30% of the students who reside in hostel attain A grade. तो students जो hostel में रहते हैं उनमें से 30% का A grade आता है. So this probability will be 30 by 100. Yes. Now divided by probability E1 60 by 100, probability A that E1 has occurred 30 by 100. Now plus probability E2. E2 event है student is a day scholar. Yes, what is the probability that student will be a day scholar? Yes, 60% reside in hostel and 40% are day scholars. So probability that student will be a day scholar is 40 by 100 into probability A that E2 has occurred. E2 has occurred का मतलब है कि आपको पता है कि student is a day scholar. Now what is the chance the student has A grade? Yes, 20% of the day scholars attain A grade. So this probability will be 20 by 100. Right? So now we simplify this. This will get cancelled out. So here I'll get 1800. Here I'll get divided by 1800 plus 800. That is 1800 by 2600. So you will get 9 by 13. Yes, next question. Given 3 identical boxes 1, 2 and 3, each containing 2 coins. In box 1, both coins are gold. In box 2, both are silver coins. And in box 3, there is 1 gold and 1 silver coin. Right? A person selects a box at random and takes out a coin. If the coin is of gold, what is the probability that other coin in the box is also of gold? Yes. तीनों बॉक्सेस के कंटेंट आपको गिवन है. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में दोनों कॉइन्स गोल्ड के हैं, सेकंड में दोनों सिल्वर और थर्ड में एक गोल्ड एक सिल्वर. राइट? अ पर्सन सिलेक्ट्स अ बॉक्स एट द रैंडम एंड टेक्स आउट अ कॉइन. इफ द कॉइन इज ऑफ गोल्ड, ये आपको पता है दिस इवेंट हैज़ अकर्ड दैट कॉइन इज ऑफ गोल्ड. तो जो इवेंट हो चुकी है उसे हम नाम देते हैं ए. सो कॉइन इज ऑफ गोल्ड. राइट? सो इवेंट ए हैज़ अकर्ड. आपको निकालना है व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट अदर कॉइन इन द बॉक्स इज ऑल्सो ऑफ गोल्ड. ये वाला कॉइन गोल्ड का था जो आपने निकाला, वो पूछ रहा है कि व्हाट इज द चांस दैट अदर कॉइन इन द बॉक्स इज ऑल्सो ऑफ गोल्ड. इज इट सेम एज सेइंग दैट फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बैग 1 इज सिलेक्टेड? यस. सो you are to find out this. It is of the form this. So I define my event E1 as bag 1 is selected और क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हो सकती हैं? E2 होगा, बैक 2 इज सिलेक्टेड, और एक और पॉसिबिलिटी भी बन सकती है, बैक 3 इज सिलेक्टेड। तो ये आपका बना पार्टीशन, और अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है probability E1 that A has occurred. So we have to find out probability E1 that A has occurred. So by Bayes theorem, probability E1 that A has occurred will be equal to probability E1 into, रिवर्स करके लिखो, probability A by E1. डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा टोटल probability of A, which is probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred, plus probability E2 into probability A that E2 has occurred, plus probability E3 into probability A that E3 has occurred, because partition में 3 events हैं। अब हमें ये probabilities निकालनी है। सबसे पहले है probability E1। E1 event है बैग 1 is selected। आपके पास 3 बैग्स हैं, आपने 3 बॉक्सेस हैं, आपने रैंडमली एक बॉक्स को पिक किया। सो व्हाट इज़ द चांस दैट बॉक्स 1 इज सिलेक्टेड? यस, इट विल बी 1/3। यस बेटा, यहाँ पर इसको बॉक्स कर लीजिए। राइट, नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ए दैट E1 हैज़ अकर्ड। E1 हैज़ अकर्ड का मतलब है कि आपको पता है कि बॉक्स 1 इज सिलेक्टेड। राइट, नाउ व्हाट इज द चांस दैट कॉइन इज ऑफ गोल्ड? हाँ जी, बैग 1 के कंटेंट्स देखिए, दोनों कॉइन गोल्ड के हैं। तो क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी जो आपने कॉइन निकाला वो गोल्ड का होगा? विल इट बी अ श्योर इवेंट? सो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 1, राइट, डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी E1, अगेन 1/3 into probability A that E1 has occurred is 1, plus probability E2. E2 का मतलब है second bag box is selected. It will be again 1/3. Probability A that E2 has occurred. आपने second box को select किया. What is the probability that coin is of gold? अब second box के content देखो, दोनों silver coin है, तो क्या probability होगी कि coin gold का होगा? 0. Impossible event. Yes, plus probability E3. E3 का मतलब back 3 is selected, so it will be 1/3 into probability A that E3 has occurred. E3 has occurred का मतलब है box 3 is selected. Now what is the probability that coin is of gold? Yes, third box के content देखो, एक gold coin है और एक silver है, तो what will be the chance कि जो आपने coin draw किया वो gold का होगा? Yes, it will be 1/2, right? So on simplification, I'll get 1. Here I'll get 1 plus 0 plus half. That is 1 over 3/2. That is 2/3. Next question. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. यानी कि probability that a man speaks truth is 3/4. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. Yes, पर्सन ने डाई थ्रो किया और रिपोर्ट किया कि वो 6 आया, तो जो इवेंट हो चुकी है कौन सी? दैट पर्सन रिपोर्ट्स दैट इट इज़ अ 6, उसे हम नाम देंगे A. सो A इवेंट हुई, पर्सन रिपोर्ट्स दैट इट इज़ अ 6. सो इवेंट A हैज़ अकर्ड, यानी कि रिपोर्टिंग हुई कि 6 आया। अब वो पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी इट इज एक्चुअली अ 6। सो ये है प्रोबेबिलिटी इस फॉर्म में। तो E1 को डिफाइन किया मैंने, एक्चुअली गेट्स अ 6, तो E2 हो जाएगा इट इज़ नॉट अ 6। तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है प्रोबेबिलिटी E1 दैट A हैज़ अकर्ड। So by Bayes theorem, probability E1 that A has occurred will be probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred, divided by probability E1 into probability A that E1 has occurred plus probability E2 into probability A that E2 has occurred. Now let's find out the probabilities. Probability E1. E1 का मतलब है person gets a 6. When you throw a die, what is the probability of getting a 6? Is it 1 by 6? Yes. Into probability A that even has occurred. Even का मतलब है person gets a 6. अब आपको बताना है what is the probability that person reports that it is a 6. Person का 6 आया. What is the probability that he will report that it is a 6? Is it same as saying that person will speak the truth? So probability of speaking the truth is 3 by 4, right? Divided by, again it is 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 plus probability E2. E2 का मतलब है not a 6. Yes, what is the probability that you will not get a 6 when you throw a die? Is it 5 by 6? Into probability A that E2 has occurred. E2 has occurred का मतलब है it is not a 6. What is the probability of event A? यानी कि what is the probability that person reports that it is a 6? 6 नहीं आया, so what will be the chance that person will report that it is a 6? Is it same as saying find the probability that person will lie? तो अगर सच बोलने की probability 3 by 4 है तो झूठ बोलने की कितनी होगी? 1 by 4, right? So on simplification, I'll get 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. That is 3 by 8.